Hi there! In this Children Book Vault review, I'm going to show you a unique collection of 50 full-length children's books that you can rebrand, resell, and profit from instantly. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Children Book Vault through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is Children Book Vault? Children Book Vault is a PLR, private label rights, package that includes 50 full-length, engaging children's storybooks that you can edit, rebrand, and sell as your own. It's perfect for anyone looking to enter the $15 billion children's book industry without the hassle of writing stories from scratch. What's great about this? You don't need to be an author or illustrator. These books are already done for you. Just customize, upload, and start selling. But let's be real, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Children Book Vault gives you everything you need to start your own book publishing business, but you'll still need to put in the work to market and sell the books effectively. Standout features that caught my eye. Check 50 full-length storybooks. Not short stories, but hundreds of pages packed with adventure and fun. PLR rights included. Rebrand, resell, or bundle them however you like. Modernized and engaging stories, updated from public domain classics to be more fun and readable. Multi-format flexibility, sell as ebooks, print copies, audiobooks, or even apps. Perfect for multiple business models. Whether you want to sell, license, or use them as bonuses, the choice is yours. How does it work? Step 1. Download the books. Instantly access 50 ready-made children's books. Step 2. Rebrand and customize. Add your name, tweak the cover, or modify the content. Step 3. Start selling and profiting. Upload them to Amazon Kindle, Etsy, or print-on-demand platforms, and watch your sales grow. No writing skills? No problem. Just follow the included training and you're good to go. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Once you grab Children Book Vault, you'll see some optional upgrades that can supercharge your profits. Here's a quick breakdown. Upgrade $37. Unlock even more books to expand your collection. Little Chef Combo $37. A unique children's cookbook series you can also resell. Kiddipedia Combo $37. Educational books that parents and teachers will love. Kiddo Canva Combo $37. Canva templates to create customized book designs with ease. Pick the ones that fit your business and skip the rest. What I like about Children Book Vault: perfect for beginners. No need for writing or designing skills. Done for you content saves time and effort. Multiple monetization options. Ebooks, print, audiobooks, and more. Huge market demand. The children's book industry is booming. What could be improved? Not for those wanting 100% original content, since these books are based on public domain stories. They aren't completely original. Marketing is key. This isn't an instant money machine. You'll still need to promote and sell the books effectively. Is Children Book Vault worth it? If you're looking for an affordable way to break into the children's book market and start making money with zero writing experience, then Children Book Vault is a great choice. You can grab it at an early bird price, but act fast because the price goes up soon. Click the link below to grab it now, and don't forget to check out my exclusive bonuses waiting for you inside. Thanks for watching my Children Book Vault review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making strategies. See you in the next video.